welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something I have not done in a while, and that is a body and face paint. I've been really in like a creative slump the last couple videos. I feel like I've just kind of been rotating through ones that are really easy to make. So I wanted to do something more creative, and this month has not as many makeup videos as I wanted, so I am going to do an impromptu body and face paint. I am not going to go through much in this tutorial just because I don't know that many people actually watch body painting videos to do the body paint themselves, but if you want to, it is fairly simple. This is a look I did in the original 100 Days of Makeup like 3 years ago, and I feel like I have come quite a ways since then, whether it be with products or, you know, technique, whatever. So I'm going to get started on this look. So the first thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows. I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is my normal everyday brow pencil. And because this is going to be like a floral kind of look, I want to have like a wild sort of untamed brow, like kind of just filled in and kind of bushy, not so normal and sculpted and laid down totally flat. So I'm just going to fill in a little bit with this. This is in the color Espresso, by the way. Now I'm just going to comb them out so they're nice and feathery, and I'm going to comb the brow hairs up so they look more full. So for the first color, I'm taking this purple Tokidoki shadow in Killer Candy, and it looks like this. It's kind of a metallic purple. And this is going to be our crease color. So I'm just taking a domed Real Techniques brush. I think this is like the crease definer. Yeah, deluxe crease brush. And we are just going to put this right in our crease. I'm trying to keep the eyes like in theme, but not the main focal point, because when I get painting, that's what I'm going to want to be the main attraction, but I don't want the eyes to get lost either. And with a little bit of iridescent white pigment, I'm going to take the same brush and just use what is on the cap here to highlight right under the brow. Just so we have a little bit of iridescence going. It also blends that edge out, but it gives us kind of like a fairy glow. Now I'm going to go into the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, and I'm going to go into Quench, is this beautiful yellow shade. I'm gonna pack this on the lid. Now I'm going to take a bit of base. This is glitter glue, and we're just gonna pop it on the inside of this eye here. So I haven't done my skin or base or anything yet. So I'm using that same brush that I used for the yellow. I'm going into Sin Cosmetics glitter in Wicked. It is like this purple and blue hybrid. So I'm just gonna pick some of that up, and we're gonna pop it right on that base that we laid down in the inner corner, just to give us a little bit of pixie dust. Gotta have a little bit if you're doing kind of like a fairy look. I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm actually gonna use the white NYX eyeliner and pop on some lashes. These are the 21 style. These are like random beauty supply store ones. And then when I come back, we are going to do the skin and then get into this body paint. Okay, so the lashes are on and the white eyeliner. These lashes stick up really straight in the inner corner for some reason. So I am going to go in with my pink Perfect Cream. I'm really liking this as a primer lately, and I'm not going to use too much just because I'm painting mainly. So I'm just going in the pores here, and if you didn't notice, I add some flowers to my hair to give us a little bit of something. Is the Rimmel Stay Matte. So I am going to grab my makeup drop sponge and put a little bit on here. On the lower lash line, I'm going to take a little bit of this Ultra Violet Avon eyeliner. I've had it forever. And we're just gonna deepen up the lower lash line a bit, just to give us a little bit of dimension and shadow down here. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of bronzer and just not really contour, but warm the skin up a little bit. This is an Urban Decay brush that's pretty loosely packed, so it will not give us too much. And then of course you can't do a fairy look without some blush, so I am taking Bella Bamba and we're going to do some pretty rosy cheeks here. For lips, I'm going to keep it really simple. This is the Marc Jacobs lip crayon in Snapshot. I think that's the name. Oh no, it's called Pink Straight. And now I'm just going to use a little bit of the Urban Decay Vice Special Effects lip gloss in the white glitter. And I kind of focused it just in the center, but you can put it all over if you want a lot of glitter. So now I'm going to start with the flowers. And I have a couple means of doing this. So I have some pencils, I have some shadows, I have some liquid lips. It's all just going to depend on what I'm looking for, and also I have paint. So I think I am going to start with the liquid lips. So I'm just going to do flowers kind of all around. I'm going to do various sizes. I'm going to have some down here. Last time I had a whole bunch just around the eye and then a few kind of down the neck. I want to do some like bigger ones in different places. So this is just going to be trial and error, but I hope you enjoy. of the look. It's much darker than the last one I did. I added more leaves. I added like a bigger chest piece to make it a little more involved. The eye look is definitely different. But I just feel like this took me out of my creative slump, and I kind of love it. I think it's super pretty, and yeah, I was bored, so this is what I came up with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And if you did, make sure you watch my other video so you can see the progress. I will leave it linked. And check out my channel for other tutorials like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.